kiddos! So I'm finally back with making another video. I have a new setup. My window kind of ruins it, but my little kitty's right there. Aww. So basically in this video, recently in makeup I have been getting into more dramatic stuff, you know, really dark, well, not extreme, but, you know, like cut creases, not the stuff that like, you're like, oh, I'm hanging out with my friends, so I'm gonna do this, which is what I'm doing, which is ironic. But anyways, let's get started. Before I even put any makeup on, I'm gonna go ahead and put my NYX Honey Do Me Up on. I reviewed this on my makeup account, and ever since I kind of basically just like live by it. It just makes my face so soft, and there's little gold specks in it, which is cute, and I don't know, I just like it. Now, this is actually a primer that you're supposed to put on like before foundation, but I don't wear foundation, so I just put it on my bare face, and it gives me a nice, it's not too drastic, but it does give me the slightest like gold tint. And like I said, there's little gold flakes, and it just makes my skin so soft. So to start my eyebrows, I'm going ahead with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Taupe with a Duo e.l.f. eyebrow brush. Okay, so now that I've Are they that dark? Okay, so now that I've outlined them, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Benefit Cosmetics Browsings with just an eyeshadow brush and take the powder and just go ahead and put that on top. So they're super intense, as always, so I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and just this flat tip Morphe brush and go ahead and conceal them up so that they'll look not monstrous. That didn't turn how I wanted it to. God. Now that we have finished the eyebrows, we're going to go ahead and prime my eyelids again just with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Then I super quickly set it with my Naked Urban Decay Basics palette using the shade Walk of Shame. Okay, so what I'm thinking of doing is a pink to red cut crease. So to start that off, I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and go ahead and take the shade Shy and really just pack it on my brush, because then I am just going to go ahead and pack it on my lid. And next, still with the Huda Beauty palette, you take the shade Flamingo and do the same thing, but a little further in the crease. Very pronounced brow bone wants to get in the way. Next, I'm just going ahead and taking the shade Man Eater and again continuing the line. I'm taking the shade Bossy. So now that we've done that, we have this very interesting looking eyeshadow. So I'm just going ahead with my blending brush. I'm just gonna try to blend it out very gently. Alright, so it's super dramatic right now. So we're gonna go back in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and again just a flat tip Morphe brush. And we're gonna conceal my lid and cut this crease. Just like how I set my lid before, I'm just gonna use the Walk of Shame. It's turning out a lot more pink purple than I wanted to, and I literally just did a purple cut crease like this. So I'm going to go ahead with my NYX Ultimate palette and just taking a simple Morphe blending brush, I'm going to take the red and kind of just dabble it on top to give it a more reddish tint. I might ruin it all right now. Hopefully not. So next I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick and shade Muse, just on a flat tip angled brush. Yeah, and outline the cut carefully. So now that the shadow's done, I'm going to go ahead with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Then I'm just going to go ahead and set it with my Benefit Cosmetics Professional Powder. And now, while I'm waiting on that, I'm going to go ahead with my Milani Contour and Highlight Cream and whatever. And take the liquid highlight and just highlight my nose with it. Then I'm going ahead with my NYX Go-To palette and just using this little duo brush that you get with the Browsings palette. Browsings from Benefit. I'm just taking the highlight and packing it on my brow bone. Now I'm going to go ahead with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Eye Mascara and just go ahead and put that on. And then to finish off the eyes, we just go ahead and put our lashes on. Oh, look who's back up and staring at me. Hi. Oh, hello there. Sleepy girl. Yeah, big stretch. Cutie. And finally, to finish it off, we're going to go back with the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Muse. And we're just going to put that on our lips. And so here we have the final result. Ta-da! I mean, I am a little upset that it turned out a lot more pink brown than it did red. I guess it kind of matches the lipstick more this way anyways, but you know, usually when you have something planned, you want it to go that way. So I just want to say real quick, I haven't been posting. Anyone who actually subscribes and like pays attention would notice that. I have started classes a while ago, but now I'm also working, so I am a little busy. Weekends are usually when I planned on making my videos, and I didn't last weekend, and this was my first week of work, so there's that. Will I be able to keep up with this double a week post schedule? I don't know, honestly. I do have 2 videos that I've been meaning to post since like back when they would have been on time, but I keep on forgetting to make an intro for one of them, and then the other one, no matter how many times I change it, I try to download it, all this stuff, the audio messes up, and it's just been a mess, and I haven't been able to upload anything, so there's that. Sorry. I'll be trying to keep up. I know I say that every single video, but really, I mean, I already have next week. Yeah, I already have next week's makeup video planned out. It's gonna, hopefully the rest of my makeup will come in the mail and I can do a makeup haul review. Show you everything that I got, yada yada yada. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment if you want. I don't know, even if it's just saying hi. I'll say hi back. I like being interactive. Anyways, so if you don't follow my Instagram, go ahead and check it out right there. I post my makeup. I try to post every other day. Sometimes I post every day. Sometimes I post once a week. Anyways, go ahead, check it out. See the evolution of when I first started makeup versus now. And yeah, I'll see you next week.